thrown by Akash. That was his shirt. He has shown us from where he has thrown that. We have also ascertained as to what happened to the mobile of Raja, which was first damaged by Sonam and later by Vishal. So this whole thing has been played out, and how they made their exit from this place. So the whole scheme, this whole reconstruction of the murder, the offense has been played out today. We have got a very clear picture. We've recorded in videography. We've got independent witnesses to cover it, and I think the reconstruction was very, very successful.
तो क्या हथियार रिकवर हुआ जिसमें आप बोल रहे थे और क्या सोनम का फोन अभी तक मिला है?
See, we have in a statement, we have ascertained one more weapon, which I have said. Today they have shown us, because of the kind of terrain out there, which is a particular fall to the gorge. The SDRF is here and they will be recovering it. If they can get today, we're hoping that they should get today, if not then tomorrow. But the whole the hitting of the victim with that, or using that weapon on the victim has been ascertained, and where that weapon was thrown from has also been ascertained.
What about the Sonam's phone?
As per the post-mortem report, there were 2 wounds on the head. So the third one which Anand has said, when he had taken his shot, he was very nervous, and I think it didn't make much of an impact. Also, if there's an impact, also the kind of decomposition which the body has had, post-mortem examination was able to ascertain that gash out there. But the 2 head injuries from sharp weapons are very clear.
So where is Sonam's phone?
Sorry? Sonam's phone? See, Sonam's phone she's actually destroyed that phone and thrown off that phone.
Raja was wearing gold chain, the money.
See, that has already been actually taken out right from down there, right from Nongriat only. There was no gold being worn on her. It was already in the bag.
Sir, taken by surprise. Was hit from behind, was taken by surprise?
Yes, he was taken by surprise. The first hit was from Vicky, and it was I think it was a very hard hit, because it used, I think, 2 hands to use for that hit.
सर, राजा ने अपने आप को बचाने के लिए कैसे कोशिश की थी? क्या हाथापाई हुई थी? और सोनम उस वक्त कहाँ पर मौजूद थी? सोनम ने भी क्या उसे मारने की कोशिश की थी या लाश को दम करने में मदद की थी?
See, Sonam was there when this happened and all that. And
कितना दूरी पे होगा सर, कम से कम?
Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that they should finish the job. And Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind, Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right, or to his left. When this happened, when the first shot, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that. She ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot. And the body was thrown by the 3 of them. 2 of them held from the hands and 1 person held from the legs. And he was thrown down. They have mentioned out there that he had because it's terrace, that the precipice out there is terrace. The body had fallen into one kind of a platform, and from there on went right down.
सर, वो जो एंड पॉइंट है जहाँ पर ग्रिल लगी है, जिस पर एक स्टेयर है, वहीं पर मर्डर भी हुआ और वहीं से डाउन किया.
Sir, did he die because of the wound or because of the fall?
The postmortem says he died because of the shock.
Right. Sir, you mentioned that all the three were the ones who lifted the body. Who was the one who was riding the scooty and eyeing around here?
We actually in the beginning, we had thought that somebody was actually moving around up and down. But actually if you go this way and this way, and you go this way, it's a zigzag. So the zigzag is actually this one. It's not somebody going up and down.
So could you establish the motive of the crime through these crimes in reenactment?
See, out here is actually finding out its motive. Though preliminary, the preliminary investigation, as we have already said, that there's a love triangle, but we are trying to explore if there's any other thing more. This investigation doesn't end here. That, okay, the accused have admitted, we have got evidence, we have reconstructed and admitted. It doesn't end here. We will explore if there's any other motive. Right now, the motive which appears in front of us is this love triangle. And we will explore further.
सर सबसे सबसे बड़ा सवाल है, राज ने टिकट बुक किया था इंदौर से यहाँ आने के लिए, वो क्यों नहीं आया? पूछताछ पे उसने क्या बताया है? अपने तीनों दोस्तों को भेजा, सोनम यहाँ पर आई, वो कांटेक्ट में रहा, राज क्यों नहीं आया?
See, Raj is an employee of Sonam's family's company. His disappearance out there would be suspicious. That's why he is always in touch with the family.
सीन रिक्रिएशन के समय सोनम ने क्या कबूल किया है कि वो इस घटना में शामिल है, उसने ही हत्या की है?
Very much.
कबूल की है आज?
Yes, very much. Right from the beginning, I said in my statement, she has already admitted to this whole scheme of things.
क्या सर शिप्रा होम स्टे के पास में?
Yes.
You produce report tomorrow?
No, it's not.
Day after.
Day after tomorrow. Yeah. No.
सर ऑडियो उठाने में सोनम ने भी मदद की थी?
No.
Sir, the Meghalaya police will seek the more times from the court, sir.
Well, Vishal and Akash both told him. Anand, how did he look like? The last one.
Anand, Akash had given him.
Okay.
Akash had given Anand, and we don't.
Sir.
Express regret, all four of them, with the expressive
See,
when they brought
any
them.
criminal who is actually caught will regret their actions. So we cannot say whether they have remorse. Regret they have, remorse I can't say.
Can you?
When she committed the crime.
What
was her expression when he shared?
Because I don't think so. She was just replying to what we did and said. There was no time.
How did she know about this place? Why did they choose this place?
According to them, it's by chance that they chose this place. They were actually all along wanting to, multiple places wanted to actually finish him off. Like I said, right from Longriat also, they wanted the bedroom place to dispose. So multiple places around, they looked. And when they just happened to move into this place, they found it was empty. And there was a viewpoint which they were hanging around out there in that viewpoint. So that was chanting.
सोशल मीडिया पर तो वीडियो वायरल है, जो लास्ट वीडियो बताया जा रहा है जिसमें सोनम भी दिख रही है और तीनों कातिल भी दिख रहे हैं, तो क्या उस शख्स को पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया जाएगा, उसकी स्टेटमेंट ली जाएगी जो वीडियो?
Yes. In fact, that will help us also because हम लोग the whole thing is we trying to prove is that these people were there together. So that video also in fact just helps us. So the person who recorded that we will reach out to him.
Sir, can we rule out that the accused has reached the place because the accused left the place after committing the crime, taking a scooty? They need some experts who knows the route and all. It's not easy to just get to the main road or after here. So is it possible that everyone of them gets the police reports?
See, as of now, because you see, you have someone in this day and age, you have Google, you have GPS and all that. So it's not very difficult actually to get to the main road. Okay, so we'll show you the closest approach to get to the main road. It's not very difficult in this day and age. And but regarding whether they came, none of these people have visited Shillong before. However, we will still investigate this matter. Actually, they had prior information in this place, or they visited this place prior to the incident.
सर
The police satisfied with the 8 days custody, or you're seeking for more?
Well, we'll take a call on that. I'll have to sit with the in charge SIT and his team and all that. Whether they will let me know whether they still require some more days. Perhaps they will.
सर लव ट्रायंगल के अलावा क्या फाइनेंशियल एंगल भी है? इसमें पहला सवाल, क्योंकि राजा का कोई बड़ा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलने वाला था, जिस पर डील हो रही थी मध्य प्रदेश इंदौर में, और वहां पर राज को कौन और ऐसा साथ जो सपोर्ट कर रहा था, 2 लड़के कौन, क्योंकि बनारस की लड़की ने 2 लड़कों का जिक्र किया है।
Like I said, immediately which comes to the fore is this love triangle. Investigation has just started. We will explore more into this. If there are other angles, if there's a financial angle, if somebody was to gain from Raja's death, like you said, if Raja was going to bag a contract, we will verify all this. In fact, right now as we are speaking, my team is there in Indore. They have gone to the flat of the flat where Sonam was kept. They have conducted search of them. The flat is empty, but they will be camping in Indore for actually questioning a lot of things.
Can you tell us,
लेकर जाएंगे सर?
No.
Can you tell us at any time Raja was surprised to see the presence of these 3, or the 3 are known to him?
No, Raja was not known. These 3 were not known to Raja. In fact, once they made friends, and since the plan was known to Sonam and the 3 people, so when they said that they'll go to Dauki, Raja automatically made friends with them, because they had said that they're going to MP, also to Dauki, and so they made plans together that from here they'll go to Dauki.
So they established contact from here. On the second
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
सर सोनम की फैमिली को भी स्टेटमेंट लेंगे, उनको इन्वेस्टिगेशन ज्वाइन कराएंगे?
Kalita case was known to them because the body was dumped here earlier. Because that story also went viral all over the country. So did they know about that story?
Not to our knowledge, and they have never visited this place. They have not heard about this place before also. According to them, it's by chance. But we will explore that, like I said, whether they've come here before. And if they've come here before, then we'll be familiar with the place.
सर सोनम की फैमिली को भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन ज्वाइन करने के लिए आप लोगों ने बोला है किसी को?
See, our team is there. They will do some questioning out there. They will find out what is the background and lot of any other angle. Then we will be questioning.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Do you have any questions for Judge SIT also?